before I get into the video, I just want to say if you could just please subscribe and like the video. Alright, this video is on how to transfer your Xbox Live clips onto your phone. So all you need is one app for this, and that's go on the App Store, search up My Media. There we go, first one. Download that. Let me just open because I've already downloaded. You can just pause the video. Click on Google in the top right. Search up Xbox Xbox Live clips. It's the first one. Enter gamer tag. Videos. It can be a bit laggy. There you go. See, you click the clip you want. In this case, I'm going to do a NBA clip here. Click on the video. It's very laggy. Click on this video then. This is a Fortnite clip, I don't know. And now when you select the clip you want, press download. Download the file. You can do it as Fortnite or whatever. There, save. Let it download. And when it's done, press back. Go to, and you see at the bottom as media. Click on the clip. You saved it, Fortnite clip there. Save the camera roll. The camera roll. There it is. Thanks for watching. If you could like and subscribe.